Well met, explorers. Welcome to the Kingdom Quest series, Experience to Level. We will explore how to level in our faith and find ways to connect with God. There is no one-size-fits-all formula because God knows us well enough to offer ways that speak to each of us. If you feel something's missing, the tutorial guide, Introduction to Faith, might be able to help. Through the NIV Student Bible, we are going to look at the main points of each book of the Old and New Testament over the next several weeks. At level 9, we learn of the prophets, those chosen by God to speak to his people. They pointed out the future, struggled in their own lives, gave warnings, were captives, and interpreted dreams. During the years when kings ruled Israel and Judah, God spoke through prophets. Though some prophets did predict future events, their primary role was to call God's people back to him. Isaiah, the most eloquent of the prophets, Isaiah analyzed the bad choices of all the nations around him and pointed to a future Messiah who would bring peace. Jeremiah, he led an emotionally tortured life, yet held to his stern message. He spoke to Judah in the last decades before Babylon destroyed the nation. Lamentations. All Jeremiah's warnings about Jerusalem came true, and Lamentations records 5 poems of sorrow for the fallen city. Ezekiel. Ezekiel spoke to the Jews who were captive in Babylon. He often used dramatic stories and enacted parables to make his point. Daniel. A captive in Babylon, Daniel rose to the office of prime minister. Despite intense political pressure, he lived a model life of integrity and left highly symbolic prophecies about the future. As the Holy Spirit guides us in each solo daily and weekly quest along our path, we discover more by reading the Bible and praying every day. Let me know which book has caught your attention in the comments. As we seek the kingdom and share this quest, each and every one of you are always welcome. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen as we explore this journey together.